The Newport of my youth is very different to the Newport we have now, and quite frankly, something needs to be done about it. I've always grown up with the sporting tradition of Newport. Whether it was Newport Rugby Club, Newport County, they've always punched above their weight and delivered a lot of hope and expectation to this city and joy.
We've been voting Labour in Newport, in communities right the length and breadth of Wales for generations. It's given us nothing but poverty, and the only way that we can turn that around is actually if we start to do something different. We start to have faith in ourselves, we start to vote Plaid Cymru, and actually start to realise that the only way we can build a better future for Newport and the whole of Wales is actually by taking the future into our own hands.
I've always wanted to be involved in politics. I've always wanted to change things, and we need to begin the process of rebuilding and renewing Newport.
Wel, dim ond Plaid Cymru wrth gwrs sy'n mynd i creu newid fan hyn yn Casnewydd ac ym modd ran o Gymru. Da ni wedi cael yn gadael lawr wrth gwrs am blynyddoedd gan Blaid Lafur a'r toriad yn anwybyddu ni. We know the Newport that is a city that's been neglected. Well, now's a chance to turn that on its head. By electing Jonathan Clark, we can create the Newport and the new Wales that we all want to see.